To draw a California three-way, you will need pencil and paper and a ruler, though the ruler is optional. Firstly, draw a vertical line. This will be the central axis of the three-way. Secondly, divide the line into 3 equal segments. Mark the 2 division points with dots. Thirdly, draw 2 intersecting lines at the middle dot. These lines should form an angle of 60 degrees with each other. Fourthly, connect the endpoints of the intersecting lines to the division points on the vertical line. These lines form the sides of the triangle. Fifthly, draw a horizontal line from the center point of the triangle. This line should be parallel to the vertical line. Sixthly, divide the horizontal line into 2 equal segments. Mark the division point with a dot. Seventhly, draw a vertical line from the division point on the horizontal line. This line should intersect the vertical line at the bottom division point. Eighthly, connect the endpoints of the vertical line to the bottom division points on the triangle. These lines form the sides of the bottom rectangle. Ninthly, draw the 3 inside the rectangle. The top line of the 3 should be slightly curved upwards. For best results, use a ruler to ensure that the lines are straight and the angles are 60 degrees. Make the bottom rectangle slightly wider than the top triangle. The 3 inside the rectangle should be centered and slightly smaller than the rectangle.